5 Indian nationals were injured in Iran. Continuously ballistic missile attack coming from the Israel are being highly concerned to the Iran. Iran vowed to retaliate to give the airstrike of US military base, especially for Saudi Arab. So the 30 days month airstrike have been continue going on. It's concerned across the world because Hormuz Ponali till now banned by the Iran, but continuously request for several countries and also India. Finally, Iran they compel to open up the Hormuz Ponali not for oil, only for humanitarian ground and humanitarian aids. So in this ground, they accept the request to open Hormuz Ponali. So that's is being going on the process. Actually, a month into the war, Tehran agreed to allow this after many requests. But Iranian attack in the Prince Sultan Airbus wounded 12 American troops. Iran they target to all American Airbus, all American troops, whereas they are America. They also said they can attack the Iranian power center or powerhouse, and there have another news reveal out that Iran they try to cut out the internet cable across the world in the middle of the sea. So that's a controversy going on. So amid that, rocket drone continuously attack coming from Hezbollah has been constant during the war. It's going on. 100 attend of funeral. A 22 years old boy have been killed overnight during Israeli airstrike. A 15 years old boy died in Iran by the Israeli airstrike. So continue going on. But several incidents happened. The globally it's going on energy crisis. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that it's a energy lockdown. So we get together in this time like COVID. And this continuously 30 days war, it's decreased the world economy. Iran getting aid from Russia, from China, and that's why despite of Khamenei death, they continue propel the airstrike of American airbase. And Donald Trump, he highly condemned because the in the mean of regime change, he doing this incident across the world, whereas world being concerned, just death of Khamenei, before that, he captured the president of Venezuela. So continuously unethical war doing that, and in this time he take a miss conflict that continuously going on, and he drop a trap by the Iran, by the USA, by the Russia and China backing support to Iran, and Donald Trump is fall a trap, and it's continuously condemned coming from across the world, and as well as American personals, American citizens, they also want to decline from the president of USA.